Okay, everybody, welcome to part two of our Bitcoin use case scenario. How can the everyday average person on the street, the average Joe, use Bitcoin in everyday life? How can you make money with it? How can it make your life easier? How can you buy something with it? Right now, we're specifically talking about wallets. Bitcoins, or special account numbers, are stored in digital wallets. You would have one if you own Bitcoin. Think of it like an app. Additionally, a special, highly secure password ensures only you can spend your Bitcoins. All Bitcoin accounts and transactions are stored in the Bitcoin network. This network is backed up on dozens of computers all over the internet in different parts of the world. This ensures there's never a single point of failure on the planet with the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin is always up and running, which means it can be traded. It can be used to buy stuff, from merchants to websites or just people who take Bitcoin, from small amounts to large amounts, from small Amazon orders to large real estate transactions. Right here is an example of the Amazon buy checkout page giving you the option to buy with Bitcoin. Even a Tesla Model S was bought with 91 Bitcoins for 103,000 US dollars. So why might Bitcoin hold the key to your financial future? Well, since 2008, Bitcoin has grown faster than any other currency on the planet. Right here's a chart. Take a look for yourself. Just between 2013 and 2017, it's a staggering rise. Regular people have made millions. According to predictive linguistics pioneer Cliff High of halfpasthuman.com, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will see their biggest growth over the next 5 years. Thousands of people across the globe are getting in every day, but it's limited. Don't get left behind. Entrepreneurs like Bill Gates and Richard Branson have been investing heavily in the Bitcoin market. Even a 15-year-old teenager from Idaho invested $1,000 US in 2012. 2 years later, that investment was worth $100,000 US. Folks, it's just getting started. In April of 2010, the Bitcoin price was less than 1 penny in US dollars. By June of 2017, the Bitcoin price had risen to 2,500 US dollars. Another example. When the online illegal drug website Silk Road was shut down by the US government, Bitcoins worth 28 million US dollars were confiscated. Later, the US government sold these 44,000 Bitcoins to investors at a price of 14.6 million US dollars. Today, that investment is worth 110 million US dollars for a net profit of 95.4 million US. But the beauty of it all is that Bitcoin can be bought in small amounts or large amounts. Bitcoin can go with you anywhere in the world. No bank can close your account. It's practical and it simply works. And the best of all, it's just getting started. For instance, 100 US dollars purchased in 2010 today would be worth 75 million. If you were to buy $192.50 in US dollars today worth of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin were to go to 1 million per coin, that investment would be worth 77,000 US dollars. There's a lot of upside here, folks. Bitcoin has already surpassed gold in its per unit price. And it very well could be that more millionaires will be created from the Bitcoin economy than in the real estate markets, the stock markets, and the internet.coms of the past. Think about this. If 3% of the 70 trillion in cash on the earth were to go into Bitcoin, at a minimum, Bitcoin would rise to 100,000 US dollars per unit. Then consider global unrest, financial collapse, and bank bail-ins. The smart money's moving, folks. Imagine if 50% then of a planetary capital were to go into Bitcoin. What would the price be? Does Bitcoin need to happen for you to be happy with your financial life and secure. That wraps it up. If you want to continue this dialogue and get more up to speed on Bitcoin, then please click on the subscribe button below the video, and YouTube will notify you when my next video comes out. And I'm happy to lead you through this process of getting you into Bitcoin. I also encourage you to watch this video several times, especially if it's new to you, to let it fully sink in. In my next video, I'm going to go over 3 simple strategies that you can use right away to start accumulating Bitcoin. Either way, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I've enjoyed making it for you. I'm Joseph Bertram, crypto trader and data scientist, and thanks for watching my Quick Start series. See you soon.